Good day. Introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am, sir. I'm Delta Acevedo Rodriguez from Cagayan Valley. I'm 38 years old. I'm Roman Catholic. I'm married, but separated with my husband.
How long you've been separated?
4 years.
4 years. Okay. But you still have communication with him?
I have none, but only for the child.
For the child. How old your child?
14.
Or girl or boy?
40.
Okay. So who will look for her if you're going to Hong Kong?
My
So your in-laws?
yes, my in-laws.
Okay. So your family or your child allows you to go abroad?
Yes.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have two brothers and a sister, 4.
There are 4. Okay. What is your position in the family?
I'm the fourth for the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm graduated from high school and 2 years from this.
What course did you took
HR.
for TESDAT? HRS?
HR.
HRM. Okay, this is the Hotel and Restaurant Management.
Yes.
How long you studied TESDA?
2 years.
2 years. Okay. And are you an ex-abroad?
Yes, I'm working in Qatar, Saudi, Dammam, and Medina.
Okay, so your first employer is in Qatar.
Yes.
How many years you work in Qatar?
3 years.
3 years. How many members of the family did you serve here?
8 members. 6 children.
And the couple?
Yes.
Okay, the children, how old are they? You still remember the ages of the 6 children of your
Yes,
employer in Qatar?
25 years old, 22, 20, 17, and 10.
25?
25, 23, 22, 20, 17, and 10.
How many helpers in the house in Qatar?
3.
You are 3.
Yes.
All Filipino helpers?
2 Filipino and 1 Indonesian.
Okay, so you work with other co-helper
Yes.
before. And what is your duties as a helper there?
My duties are cleaning, washing clothes, ironing clothes, and take care for the children.
Okay, you cook before as Arabic food?
No,
So you have a cook before here in the house.
in the Qatar, no, and the
Saudi.
other country.
You
in,
cook,
in the Saudi Arabia, that's why I go there.
you cook Arabic food.
Yes.
Okay, so in Saudi Dammam, how long you work here?
And the 2 years only.
2 years. Okay, so you finish contract.
Yes.
How many members of the family did you serve?
5.
Who are the,
And 3 children.
how many children?
23, 22, and 17.
23, 22, and 17.
17.
Okay. And the last employer is in Saudi,
The
Medina.
Medina.
Okay. How many years you work here?
2 years.
All employers are finished contract.
Yes.
How many members of the family did you serve here?
5.
Who are the,
And 3 children.
how old the kids?
18 years old, 14, and 10.
Okay. So before in Saudi, do you have any day off? No day off. Now your
No day off.
no future employer in Hong Kong will only offer you weekdays off. Is that okay for you?
Pardon?
Your employer in Hong Kong will only offer you weekdays off. Is that okay for you? No
Yes.
Sunday will be given. No, only weekdays. Is that okay?
Yes.
Are you willing to look for a newly born baby?
Yes.
You love kids.
Yes.
Okay. Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 to 5.
So how about your employer still want you? So after
I'm
5
willing
years?
I'm willing to work with them.
Okay. So are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes.
Your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
I try to finish my contract and do my work.
Don't try. Just finish your contract.
To finish my contract.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, HL2311.